Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see that how we can install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation. So as you can see on my screen that I have opened my VMware Workstation, and we'll further proceed on how we can install the ISO image of Kali Linux in VMware Workstation. So before you start, just go to Google Chrome and type kali.org. Okay, so here you will see that this will be the dashboard, and you go to downloads. So here you see that there are virtual machines and installer images. Click on installer images. Okay, here you can see that your Windows is 64-bit or 32-bit. Currently my system is 64-bit, so I select 64-bit, and here when you go down you can see here this is the installer image of Kali Linux 64-bit. Just click on downloads and proceed towards the download. Once your image will be downloaded, open your VMware Workstation. Here go to file, go to new virtual machine. As you can see on my screen that I have already installed Kali Linux in my VMware Workstation, but just to show you the brief about how Kali Linux work or how Kali Linux installed in EVNG. So click on file and new virtual machine, select as typical recommended, click on next. Here you can see that installer disk image, click on browse. So here you can see that this is my installer image, Kali Linux 2023.2a installer. I select that. You can see here this is disk image and CD-ROM ISO, right? Click on open, click on next, select Linux. Here select other Linux 5x kernel 64-bit, click on next. Here what name you want to give, I it as Kali Linux. Okay, click on next. Here it is asking for the disk size. I'll make it as 80 GB and split the virtual machine into multiple files. So if in case if you want to move your VM to some other machine, we can able to do it using this option. So select the second one, click on next. Here select customize hardware, or else click on finish. Okay, once you finish you can see here that your Kali Linux has been created. Now just select this, right click, click on settings, and now you can select the memory. So your memory, I am selecting it as 6 GBs. Okay, I have 16 GB RAM installed, so I am selecting 6 GB of RAM. Okay, then click on processor. I select the processor as 4. Okay, then the hard disk is 80 GB that we have selected before. Now you can see the network adapter is NAT. If you want that your internet you get internet in your Kali Linux via your bridge network, so you can select that as well, but currently we are selecting NAT. If you want to add another network adapter, so you can also do it as finish. So the network adapter second should be the bridge one, so you can also do that as well. That one should be connected as a NAT and second should be the automatic. Okay, rest everything is all fine. Processor is 4 GB, memory is 6.1 GB, processor is 4, hard disk is 80 GB, network adapter I have made 2 adapters. Okay, so this is all the basic installation of Kali Linux in VMware Workstation. Now click on power on your virtual machine. This will take some time, so I'm pausing the video. So we select graphic installer, press enter. select English, continue, continue, American English, continue. So now let's wait for a while. Now it is scanning. It is detecting network hardware. Okay, so now we have Ethernet 0, Ethernet 1. We are selecting Ethernet 1. Press continue. It is having IPv6 auto configuration as well. This is DHCP. So it is asking for the host name. Let's keep Kali as host name, no problem. Press continue. Domain we can keep it blank as well. Press continue. Now it is configuring for the username. Let's type cyber guy. Continue. Continue. Password should be according to you, which should be secure as well. You should select the clock time as well according to your region, and press continue. Now it is detecting the disk. Okay, so there are multiple options. We are selecting as guided use entire disk. Press continue. It is asking for disk partition. We just select this, continue. Now there's an option, we are selecting all files in one partition, recommended for the new users. Press continue. Now keep everything normal. Press continue. Now it is asking all this information, the partition that we created. We create yes. Press continue. It will take some time. I am pausing the video. This is just the default one I have selected. You can press continue. Now this image comes up. This is installing the softwares. I am pausing this for a while till the time it will complete. The installation is still going on. Okay, let's hold for a while. So you can see that the software installation has been done. Now installing the grub bootloader. Press continue. Select this. Press continue. So now this is the final step for the installation. Let's hold on for a while. So all installation has been done. Now this is asking to continue for the reboot. Press continue. And the system is rebooting now. So you can see here that the screen comes up with Kali Linux. This will take some time. Okay, so now it is your Kali Linux screen comes up. What was the user we used as username, the password. Press login. So you can able to see the dashboard, like your Kali Linux console. How does it look? So here you can, when you click here, it is showing all of your applications. This is all about the installation of Kali Linux. And okay, thanks for watching guys.